Ever wondered who's pulling the strings behind the popular digital wallet, Grabpay? Let's dive into the mystery and find out who the mastermind is. Before we reveal the identity, let's take a quick look at what Grabpay is and why it's so important. Grabpay is a mobile payment service that's revolutionized how we pay for goods and services in Southeast Asia. It's part of the Grab Super app, which offers everything from ride-hailing to food delivery. Now, the million-dollar question: who owns this digital behemoth? Well, it's not as straightforward as you might think. Grabpay is actually part of a larger company called Grab Holdings. And here's where things get interesting. The players. Grab Holdings is a joint venture between two major players in the tech world, SoftBank and Didi Chuxing. SoftBank, a Japanese conglomerate, is known for its massive investments in technology companies, including Uber and Alibaba. Didi Chuxing, on the other hand, is a Chinese ride-hailing giant that's often compared to Uber. A complex tapestry. So, while there isn't a single individual who can be called the owner of Grabpay, it's a complex tapestry woven by SoftBank and Didi Chuxing. Their combined influence and resources have played a crucial role in Grabpay's success. The future of Grabpay. As Grabpay continues to grow and expand, it's likely that its ownership structure will evolve. New investors may come on board, and existing ones may increase or decrease their stakes. But one thing is certain: Grabpay is a force to be reckoned with in the digital payments space. The secret revealed. So, to answer your original question, who is the owner of Grabpay? While there isn't a single individual who holds the title, SoftBank and Didi Chuxing are the key players behind the scenes. Their joint venture, Grab Holdings, has provided the foundation for Grabpay's success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.